Picture this. You're driving to work. You're already 5 minutes late. And suddenly, the check engine light turns on. Your stomach drops. You know fixing it now might cost $300. But you check your bank account. You have $42. So you ignore it. You turn up the music. You hope it goes away. 2 months later? The car dies on the highway. Tow truck, $200. Transmission damage, $2,000. Missed work, $300. That $300 problem just became a $2,500 disaster. That's not bad luck. That's math. And today we're breaking down the most uncomfortable financial truth. Being broke is expensive. My name is Jack. And I spend way too much time thinking about the hidden mechanics of wealth. And the invisible equations that keep people stuck. If you feel like one bad Tuesday could financially ruin you, hit subscribe. Because this isn't about getting rich. This is about escaping the trap. The real problem in your story wasn't the car. It was the absence of a buffer. When you don't have margin, every small issue multiplies. $300 becomes $2,500. A late fee becomes overdraft fees. A cavity becomes a root canal. The first financial upgrade isn't investing. It's liquidity. Not $50. Not $200. At least $1,000 to $3,000 as fast as humanly possible. Because liquidity changes everything. Emergencies become inconveniences. Stress drops. Decision quality improves. You stop borrowing at 20%. Without a buffer, you're fragile. With a buffer, you're stable. Stability is step 1 of wealth. If you have debt charging 18%, 20%, 24%, you are financially bleeding. Every month you carry it, you're guaranteeing losses. Paying off 20% interest is the same as earning 20% return. There is no investment that reliably beats that. High-interest debt does 3 things. Steals your cash flow. Steals your confidence. Steals your future options. Minimum payments are designed to keep you stuck. Aggressive payments change your trajectory. Until high-interest debt is gone. Wealth building is just illusion. Kill the interest. Free the cash flow. Then grow. The broke mindset asks, "Can I afford this per month?" The wealthy mindset asks, "What will this cost me over 5 years?" Cheap car equals expensive repairs. Cheap habits equals expensive consequences. Cheap decisions equals compounding stress. When you focus only on this month, you stay reactive. When you think long term, you become strategic. This one shift changes everything. You buy quality once instead of replacing it 5 times. You avoid predatory financing. You reduce lifetime expenses. Wealth isn't built on intensity. It's built on long-term thinking. The core truth. Being broke isn't about laziness. It's about fragility. And fragility multiplies cost. So improve these 3. Build liquidity. Destroy high-interest debt. Think long-term ownership. Do that. And small problems stay small. That's how you escape the trap.